A vast, golden savanna stretched as far as the eye could see, teeming with life. In the heart of this vibrant landscape, an extraordinary elephant named Ella resided. Ella was no ordinary elephant, she was the wisest creature in the land. One day, Ella felt a strange compulsion pulling at her heartstrings. It was a call that whispered to her, "Seek the truth." Uncertain of what this meant, Ella began a journey that would test her wisdom and courage. She traveled through the dense jungles, crossing mighty rivers, and scaling towering mountains. Along the way, she encountered various creatures who sought her counsel. Yet, she knew that the truth she sought was not one of their concerns, but her own. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Ella found herself standing before an ancient tree. The tree was unlike any other, with roots that seemed to reach down to the very core of the earth and branches that touched the sky. A voice whispered on the wind, "The truth lies within." Ella approached the tree and, with a deep breath, she tapped her trunk upon its gnarled trunk. From the very heart of the tree, a small, glowing orb appeared. It was a crystal, pulsating with a radiant energy. Ella held the crystal in her trunk, feeling its power coursing through her. It was then that she realized the truth it held. The wisdom she sought was not something to be found, but something to be nurtured within herself. Ella returned to her home, sharing this wisdom with the creatures of the savannah. She taught them that the answers they sought were within themselves, waiting to be discovered. And as the sun set, the land seemed to glow with a newfound wisdom, a testament to Ella's journey. From then on, Ella lived a life of tranquility, her wisdom guiding not just the creatures of the savannah, but all who sought her counsel. And as the years passed, the story of Ella, the wise elephant, became a legend, a beacon of enlightenment for generations to come.